Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. So today we're diving into some polynomial fun with the AP Precalculus. So if you are preparing for the AP Precalculus tests, you are in the right place to improve your skills. So let's get started. Here is the question. The polynomial function p of x equals x minus 4 times x squared plus 3x minus 28. Which of the following describes the zeros of the p? So we are asked to figure out what the zeros of this polynomial are. So let's break it down together. Now remember, a zero of a polynomial is simply the value of x that makes the polynomial equal to 0. So that to find the zeros, you need to solve the equation for zeros. So which means these are the two factors of the polynomial. So x minus 4 equals 0, and also we're going to solve this one, x squared plus 3x minus 28 equals 0. So from this one, when you add 4 to both sides, you will get x equals 4. On the second equation, we will need to just factor it out. To solve this, x squared plus 3x minus 28 equals 0, we need to have, remember this, two numbers. When you multiply that two numbers, the factors of 28, that gives you negative 28, but when you add them up, you will get positive 3. So think of that. What numbers when you multiply that gives you 28? Isn't it 4 times 7? Yes. But you need a negative 28. When you add this 4 and 7, you're supposed to get positive 3. So because of that, 4 will be negative, because when you add them by negative 4 plus 7, that gives you positive 3. So this is x, and this is negative 4 and 7. Again, let me show you with a different color pen. When you multiply these two factors, gives you negative 28. But when you add them, they're supposed to give you the 3. So based on this, if you will keep writing, so the x squared plus 3x minus 28 will be equal to x minus 4 times x plus 7 is equals 0. Now we can set each factor equal to 0 to solve for x. So again, x minus 4 equals 0, and x plus 7 is equals 0. From here, when you add 4 to both sides, you'll get x equals 4. And when you take away 7 from both sides, x will be equals negative 7. So we have negative 7, we have 4, and we have another 4. So when you look at this, there are, 3 factors, right? There are 3 factors, but two of them are exactly the same. So that's why some of the students may just go ahead and, P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. So this choice, they might select the choice B, which is not the case. P has exactly 2 distinct real zeros because 4 and 4 are common. So we have 4 and 7 as their solution set or zeros. So in this case, the correct answer of the question will be when you look at it, it is going to be the choice A, because the quadratic factor gives us two solutions, but one of those is repeated, which is 4. We actually only have two distinct real zeros for them because of this reason. So the correct answer for the specific question is choice A then. That's it for today's problem. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.